Oh my gosh, yay, it finally came. Now I can do that video. Hi, how are you? You're just in time because I was just about to do a product review. Now, if you watched my last video, which was a review on Tati Beauty Volume 1 Textured Neutrals, then you would know my palette came broken. So we're gonna go ahead and try to fix that today. I'm gonna be using this here Moon Mousse, which I'm gonna go ahead and link down below. I actually got this idea from a video that Tati did on this product like 2 or 3 years ago. And we're oddly enough gonna be fixing her palette with the very same product. So this product, when she tested it out, it went really well for her. It completely fixed a shattered highlighter that she had, and it came out looking really good, and she said it worked the exact same. So we're gonna go ahead and try this out for me so that my palette isn't broken anymore. Really? A bag in a bag. Look, a bag in a bag. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna bring you up in my workstation over here on my little desk, but first, bitch, I'm getting hot, so I'm gonna have, I'm getting hot, so I'm gonna have to make myself more comfortable. All right, people, so now that I've got you all up in my gig, let's go ahead and make some magic with this magic makeup repair. So we have our little homosexual instructions right here. It says, hi! Step 1, sweet powder back into the pan. Okay, let's go ahead and try that. Step 2, break up powder as much as possible with spatula. Step 3 says to pack or press tightly into pan using appropriate pressing tool. Step 4 says dispense enough mousse to cover the surface. Alright, so we've dispensed the mousse on the product now, and it says to just leave it open overnight. I'm not necessarily going to do overnight. I'm probably just going to do 6 or 7 hours, and then we'll come back and see what happens. Alright, so there is the palette after sitting for about 8 hours now. I'm a little scared. If you can see it, it looks kind of like cracked and kind of looks like the Sahara Desert. Let's hope that packing it fixes that. Alright, well that's after packing it, so let's just go ahead and apply it to my eye and then I'll clean up the palette. So again, here's another close-up of the shade. Doesn't look too bad. Obviously it doesn't look perfect or brand new, and I have to clean up the area around it, but at least it's actually in there. Let's just go ahead and give it a little swatch. I don't think I've ever swatched on camera before. Okay, let's just apply it to my eye. At least it stays in the pan. It transfers to the brush. I picked up a lot of product and completely forgot to tap it off. It's about 2:30 a.m., so can we just ignore that? Alright, well let's try that again. I'm gonna pick up some more product and I'm gonna make sure to tap it off this time. that's exactly how the product worked for me the first time. Obviously ignore where I dropped shadow on my face, but other than that, I think it looks really good. Also, I went ahead and cleaned up my palette, and this is what it looks like afterward. Still doesn't come out. Obviously it doesn't look perfect, and I knew that it wasn't gonna look perfect, but at least it stays in the pan and it still works, so there's that. And can you see how much I use? Like, the line is right there. I didn't even use a whole lot. So honestly, for $10, I think that this product is really good. And this is obviously after applying it on my eye. I know I look really wonky, okay? I have one eye that has brown eyeshadow on, and then I have one that doesn't. I also got a ton of fallout on my face, so don't come for me, but I think this is a super awesome product if you're someone at home and you have broken makeup, whatever it is. If it's anything powdered, this is such an affordable option to fix it. It definitely works. I hope that this video helped you out. Let me know what you think about the result down below in the comment section, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.